Hello everyone. Welcome back to SEOCurrent YouTube channel, your source for cutting-edge marketing solutions. Today, we're exploring Instagram for business, focusing on effective strategies for boosting your brand and driving growth. Let's dive in. Setting the foundation. First things first, optimize your Instagram business profile. A compelling profile picture, a clear bio, and a link to your website are essentials for setting the stage for successful marketing efforts. Content is king. In the realm of Instagram, content reigns supreme. Develop a strategy aligned with your brand identity. Share visually appealing and relevant content through a mix of posts, stories, and IGTV to keep your audience engaged. Hashtag power. Capitalize on hashtags to increase discoverability. Research and use relevant hashtags to expand your reach. Create a branded hashtag to encourage user-generated content and foster a community around your brand. Consistent posting schedule. Consistency is key. Establish a posting schedule that works for your audience. Whether it's daily or specific days and times, stick to a routine to build trust and stay top of mind for your followers. Engage with your audience. Don't just post and disappear, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, like and share user-generated content, and participate in conversations to humanize your brand and build a loyal community. Utilize Instagram ads. To supercharge your growth, consider Instagram ads. With precise targeting options, reach specific demographics and interests. Experiment with different ad formats to see what resonates best with your audience. Collaborate with influencers. Tap into the reach of influencers in your niche. Collaborate with those whose audience aligns with yours to introduce your brand to a broader audience and build credibility through trusted voices. Analytics and optimization. Regularly analyze Instagram insights to understand what's working. Track metrics like engagement, reach, and follower growth. Use insights to refine your strategy, optimize content, and adapt to evolving trends. And there you have it, a guide to Instagram for business. Success isn't just about numbers, it's about building connections and delivering value. Implement these strategies, stay authentic, and watch your business thrive on this influential platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips from SEOCurrent. Thanks for watching.